This is Futaba 4PM transmitter and it comes with R334SBS receiver, but I also additionally buy a second-hand R334SBS-E receiver. This transmitter using T-FHSS or telemetry frequency hopping spread spectrum is a technology used in Futaba radio control systems. It combines frequency hopping for stable signal transmission with telemetry capabilities, allowing real-time data monitoring from the RC model to the transmitter. I chose this transmitter for RC drifting and decided to get an extra receiver because I read that the R334SBS-E model is better for indoor racing and offers quicker response if we compare to the R334SBS receiver. I'm not that professional yet, but I am looking for a future-proof solution. I found a second-hand E version for only around 13 euros, which seems like reasonable price. The trigger and overall plastic quality are decent. Not premium feeling, but definitely better than what's typically included with the ready-to-run models. At the beginning, I was considering to buy a 3PM model, but thankfully a knowledgeable person on Reddit advised me about the compatibility issues with the GYB 550 gyroscope. Quickly, I managed to upgrade my order to the 4PM. This change not only resolved the compatibility issues, but also gave me the flexibility to adjust gyroscope settings directly from the transmitter. The packaging and the box are both decent and simplistic. Included are a 1.5 and 2mm Allen key, which I suspect are for replacing or adjusting the trigger, and plastic flathead screwdriver for accessing the receiver's button. The inclusion of a short user manual is a really nice touch, reflecting the current trends of favoring online manual for their better accessibility and searchability. As I'm still in progress of building the car, I haven't had a chance to try this transmitter yet, but I plan to share some tips later. There is a secret compartment near the battery holder, which I intend to use for storing my extra receiver and some small tools that came with the transmitter. The wheel, covered with a grippy foam, feels quite good, and overall feelings are okay. I got curious about the holes for the carbon handle and discovered that you can buy things like carbon handles for the transmitter, which is pretty cool. I am excited about customizing it. This transmitter has me really pumped up, and I'm looking forward to getting more and more into RC drifting hobby. Thanks for being part of my journey, and that's all I can say for this video for today. Stay tuned and enjoy rest of the video, and bye for now.